Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to check IMEI number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check the number, the IMEI number. We can do it by using a secret code and it is the fastest way, and we can of course check it by using the settings. I'll show you both options and let's begin with the code. So we have to enter the keypad, as it is the place where we can enter the code, and the code is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with this pop-out window with two different IMEI numbers. It is because we've got two different SIM slots, of course. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you the second way. So by using the settings, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code will not work. So you will still be able to check the IMEI numbers. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And as you can see, fortunately, we do not have to enter any other section. We've got both IMEI numbers right here in the first section with the information about your device. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI number, or IMEI numbers actually, in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.